Hello everyone, this is an update of my Satsuki Azalea. It's very light pink flowering tree and it was repotted recently, and I partially started pruning it and decided against it. I'm glad I did that because now it is in full bloom. So stay tuned. Hey, it's me, Iqbal Khan. If you have not yet subscribed to McBonsai, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to subscribe and receive notifications as I upload new videos. This is the top of the pot and you can see the Nebari, the surface roots. I repotted this tree about 6 weeks ago. After repotting, I don't know what possessed me, but I started pruning the tree. And what you're looking at is the section that I did prune, and then I realized that it was too early, as pruning should ideally be done for Azalea Satsuki trees after they have finished flowering, and I'm glad I did that. This is the tree from one side. You can see the light pink flowers completely covering the tree and you can't see any foliage or any of the branches. So that's the tree in full view, and I will give it a quick turn so you can see it from all sides. The flowers are very pretty, and earlier on there were bees sort of all over the flowers, and that's the other side. And sadly that's where I was too eager to prune, otherwise all this section would have been covered as well. But there we go. So that's where we started. That is my Satsuki Azalea, repotted about 5-6 weeks ago, and it was also fertilized with chicken pellets between the layers of the bonsai soil, and that's the result. That's all for now, folks. This is Iqbal Khan for McBonsai in West London. Until the next time. And now for the afterthought. 1 in 3 Britain is conceived in an IKEA bed, which is mad as these places are really well lit. You dig?